Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can add overlay on the CapCut PC. So here, I want to add the main video first. Let's say I want to add this videos right here. Okay, so this is the main video and the overlay video that I want to add is this video. So just click on the plus icon to add it to track. And now put the overlay video on top of the main video. So drag it like this. I'm going to trim the main video first. Okay, so you can see that the main video is now covered with the overlay video, and to make it blend, you just need to click on the overlay video and go to the blend feature. So you can choose the mode, you can choose normal, overlay, brighten screen, or other options, but I'm going to just choose overlay. Then after that, just lower the opacity to your liking until the main video is blending with the overlay. So now you are done, and here is the result. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.